Hi, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Thanks for being in my space. Today, I was just thinking, shall I share about what is it financial wisdom all about? You see, when I look at it, there are many jargons outside there people are using, layman terms they can't understand. But what I've came out with, I simplify financial wisdom as ABCs. Financial wisdom starts with ABCs. A stands for allocate. When you receive your income, make sure you allocate and compartmentalize your income into few categories. It depends. Alright? Of course, Change Your Financial Future Now, the book which will be released soon. I'm talking about compartmentalize. So you may have your system, but whatever it is, your money must be allocated into few components or few baskets, we call it in a simple term, before you start spending. Okay, A, allocate. B, balance. After B stands for balance. After you pay yourself account. Once you receive your income, you must allocate certain amount or certain percentage to pay yourself first. This is the one going into your compulsory saving. Possibly 10%. Let's say if your income is 3,300 ringgit, you put in a saving account first, and the balance 2,007 you manage all your expenses and spendings. Whatever you need to pay, everything comes from there. So B stands for balance after you pay yourself first every month. Okay, C stands for control. Always be in control. Control your impulsive purchases. This is where many people are going wrong in their money management. They will be going to shopping complex, for example, even to buy groceries. If you are going to Tesco, or you are going to Jasco, or you are going to NSK, they will give you a big trolley to walk with. If you don't plan your purchases, impulsively you'll be taking things which you don't need for the month, and you'll be paying for it. It's not wrong if you have a lot of money, but if you are living in a budget, you are spending with a budget, be careful. Impulsive purchases, people use credit cards and they can't pay back in full, so the interest will accumulate. So what I'm trying to tell here is, if you like something, you're going to a shopping mall, you see a handphone, you are attracted to the handphone. Ask yourself, do I have this budget? If you don't have this budget, apply delayed gratification. You just tell yourself, okay, I'll come back again to buy this. Once you go back, your wisdom will start working for you. You'll be more prudent. You'll be more wise. Oh, this is overspending. So again, let me recap. Financial wisdom starts with ABC. A for allocate or compartmentalize your income into few baskets or few compartments. Then you start managing your money. I'm talking about it in my book. Okay, B is all about balance after you pay yourself. That means, let's say 10% of your income, you pay yourself first. That goes into a saving, compulsory saving. Then 90% you manage your expenses and also any spending. C, control impulsive purchases. You have to control impulsive purchases. Go into delayed gratification mode. You will never go wrong. If you can apply this ABC in your life, I think you will be a better person in managing your finances. All I'm asking for is, if you manage your finance well, your family will deserve a very well-balanced life. You don't have people standing in front of your house because you have borrowed money from people shouting, yelling. We see this a lot outside there. Don't live a stressful, money stress life. Take charge of your finances. You can do it. Thank you. All the